ready to kill me bomber class anymore. I'm ready to kill bomber class you. I'm ready to kill me same much as to kill you. And myself it should have value more than blood clot you.
You know, Fox, there's so much pussy.
And I'm going to if I don't kill you. Before so I make up my mind and kill myself to rascal.
No, I'm better than the kid here. Hey, how are you there, Sir Chapson? Eh?
Hey, pussy rascal. When you talk about me and the bomber class here, I bet you must sit in here for you. I bet you eat this Easter bomb to pussy class. I can't let you friend and eat your bomber class. I bet I don't meet them eat these. Me no matter what you want blood clot with me, I will lie down and give up myself to you. Pussy rascal.
Put on the chisel then, no? Put on the chisel. Can lick off it off your body.
Alright, when I'm coming, you know, I come like a thief in the blood clot night of bomber clot. I will come like a thief in the pussy clot night to you. You know, so I beg me legs. You see me begs that all my mother pussy tongue lean.
Make Mago Papa.
Yo, Merrick! I lick man flick in their face, you know. I lick man flick in their face. Come on, Castle.
Let me not get to God kill me to rascal. I'm not in the jigsaw, you know. But you facing it. You take me bomber rascal thing. And that this blood clot me. 13,000 I'm taking the jigsaw, you know, question. You know, so you can get a jigsaw for your 5,000 and 4,000 dollars. You can't take me a bomber rascal million bomber clot times. Because I can't go talk to the commissioner of bomber rascal police. Me not afraid. You look at the brother down there, sir, and they tell me up my pussy clot police station and say, any man fuck with me, come up here and them will send me in America if you want. Of course.
Where's America going to go?
We can go foreign if you want, anywhere we want. Because when you kill my brother down there, I'm afraid of blood clot. I'm afraid of him. And you say, we must careful of him.
You know that you have too much force, make you nervous, sir. Yeah, man, but drink serum, man. You're so upset.
Bleeding red dirty bomber blood rascal. Let me tell you who me is then. You know, I want to make me a bitch my serious, you know. You know, fucking idiot. Oh, yeah, come in. Careful of yourself. Keep out of this blood clot. Because you, me and your father are virgin and I respect him. You respect him 100%. And because you must have. You just like quarter while. How much is it? What? Hey, that's the pussy bomber rascal, boy. You see how your mother bomber rascal, dude? If you don't drain out underneath that pussy rascal and drink what she have in life, you jump for rascal, I'm going to get your blood clot. You could have seen to no bomber car weak. Because me not afraid I go for the commissioner office. If you don't fuck with me, me wouldn't fuck with you no.
You can go
Until tell me say, me was careful of blood clot you know. So me, you see me confused him, me been running from blood clot you know. Because when you run on my brother out there and kill him bomber clot you know. When you run on my brother and kill him and kill 7 more men along the line with him make it.
That's the end of the marriage show for today.